Good morning, welcome to Satsang. So if you still search for liberation, to be free from your mind, know that you have nothing to do for that, because you are it. You are it now, that you deny it or not with your mind. But it means also that when the seeker got so clear that he is helpless, hopeless with his mind, that he agrees with himself to go back to its source. It's of no use to feed the mind with any experience, any concept. It will not make it. It will not make you realize your real nature, which is here, but unseen by the senses, uncatchable by the mind, unfelt by the emotions. Yet the realization means that you know exactly what's your natural state, knowing also very well that your mind will never know it. And that's a relief. Doesn't depend on the moods of your mind, on the accomplishments of your mind, on the failures of your mind. So, any question about this, or any sharing important for you? Take this opportunity, don't listen to your shyness or your pride. I cannot say myself much more than that unless you ask me. If anybody needs help, that's why it comes to satsang. You have to allow me to give you the opportunity maybe to be helped, but I don't know who wants to be helped, and I don't know what for. I have to hear it from you, okay? I'm not a seer. as a person. Yes.
I just feel I want to speak, but I don't know what, because I have this very strong sensation that comes up, and also yesterday, but I cannot attach words to it. I just feel I need to, I know I need the help.
Oh.
I don't know what it is, I don't know how it is, but it really just comes very
So,
strongly.
okay. So you need the help because you must feel something where you are helpless. So you must feel, I don't know, I just suggest, and you see, helpless or unsatisfied, unfulfilled, something lacking, something like that, isn't it? So for that, you see, you must have entertained an image of what is my real nature, what is liberation, and what you live, what you experience doesn't fit that.
There's a discrepancy between, perhaps, I don't know, I'm just really spontaneously speaking these words, I don't know, but...
You could, yeah?
Yeah, it seems... There's discrepancy between where I am now, or where I feel myself to be now, and where I should be, something like that.
But that's what
Yes,
I say, you have an idea of what should be this famous word nowadays, liberation, or to realize one's own nature. You must have got an image, or a concept, or an experience you want to go back to. You see, and none of that is real. Because, you see, even if you feel all this, actually what you search, what you want so much to realize is here now. But for that you have to live, you have to give up the how can I say, the cunningness, the so-called intelligence of your mind, which presents you so many ideals.
In the past few days I felt that I no longer actually know what I'm searching for. So I'm
But you see, wait, I will reply to you, but whatever I reply to you, it's like a duck. It doesn't enter. You could stop where I say, and then maybe the next question doesn't exist anymore. But you listen as you probably listen to a course, and it is evacuated as soon as a next question or a next answer may come. Satsang is not working like this. Satsang, with one answer, it may be the end of all your search, if you allow it. You see, it is not a question of the best answer at your questions. It is a question of allowing yourself to be freed from your own mind. And an answer may help you in that way, or some indication. So what was next? Maybe now it will work. Because you see, you are already yourself. Listen to me. You heard it 1,000 times. Yet, something else cannot be said. You are already what is common to all, what is not dual, it's our natural state. Okay? You are it. Because of that, those creations are visible, and they will end. From where they came, from where it was created, because your real nature expresses itself all the time. It's an eternal creation too. Okay? So, why it looks we are searching for it? Because we listen to our experiences, let it be physical, let it be emotional, let it be conceptual. We listen to that, we follow that. So I think at some point one should be aware, why again should I go there? Did I not learn my lesson that it doesn't lead, it will lead me somewhere, but it will never help me to realize who I am. Never. Unless you still have a doubt about it, but then you ask, do you have a doubt to think that the mind is absolutely helpless, hopeless here? Because the mind itself, what is the mind? What is the mind? We make it real by believing I am real. It's all conceptual. So where are you think, just now? What's going on? Tell, it will maybe be more useful.
I seem to have very difficult access to words to say where I am, but as much as possible I really try to absorb what you say, to really let it in.
Yes,
and I don't know where is if there's anything that blocks your pointings to go in.
Nothing can block this, Absolutely nothing.
I still don't understand that. I don't know.
But what? If you understand that, then what else have you to do? Tell me. Nothing blocks it. Nothing ever blocked it. And nothing will block it in the future. So, what have you to do then? Nothing. And when something is seen, something is felt, experienced, it's the mind. It's the mind, it is this fantasy, this expression, this creation. That's all you have to realize. And that makes the seeker drop not only his search, but the search is dropped because the seeker is dropped as reality. You see, you cannot protect yourself, you cannot run away from yourself. It's already there before you have all those ideas. So, it is so near that you cannot see it. You are it. Anybody wants to say something? Yeah.
I want to say it's very difficult when I'm with more people, sometimes together. It is very difficult to be quiet to myself.
Yourself is always there, you see. No, don't wish to be quiet with yourself. You can be disturbed as a person. According to your circumstances and your past, you will react differently in circumstances. It doesn't matter.
That's very good.
You see, don't mistake this indication to keep quiet as someone is quiet in himself. To keep quiet, Master was really meaning, it was his words, not well understood, and yet they are wonderful. It's to keep quiet means be as you are, you see. Don't fetch again, don't run after, don't be so attracted by the mind. And the mind will present you disturbed moods and quiet moods. So it's like that. It's called duality because it's always goes on changing. But what you are doesn't fall into those categories. As an expression, don't confuse yourself with expression, because as expression, it will never be a permanent expression. It will never be a permanent, enlightened, quiet somebody. It's not possible. Stop to try that. It's of no use, you see. So, be yourself as you already are. Okay, I cannot catch it. It doesn't go away if you are disturbed or not. tried, but you know, that's what finally one who runs so much with such a desire for liberation, to realize what's real. What I wanted to say. Yeah, it's finally it's when he sees, but why all those efforts are made for it? Okay, probably if I made them, it was useful for me. But actually, it's when one realizes that it's not due to practice. It will not be a result of any practice. Any effort of someone, it's in the hand of nobody. That, okay, it's called, he will surrender, means, okay, I'm myself, even in this helplessness, in this hopelessness, which is only the comments of the mind. I am not that. I am that. I'm not this and that. I'm that, and you don't even you don't need to repeat it a second time. Is this clear, or you have some question about it? I think it is the main thing of any seeker, let it be young, let it be old in the seeking. This expectation that it will be the result of something is wrong. It's a wrong direction. We are too narcissistic, you see. We want too much to be suddenly a possibility to be perfect and wonderfully realized. It will not happen to that one. You already are it. Just know everybody is it. You don't need to believe it. You just are it. So discard your beliefs. You see, I believe finally this realization is nothing to do with a big bang or something, or it probably is more suddenly a natural authority. Yes, I'm that. That's all. Regardless of I look like this and I look like that. Yes? Who cares about the feeling? Ah, feeling. What? Because you feel, and sometimes you don't feel well, and sometimes you feel well, and sometimes you feel even, enlightened. But why do you depend on your feeling? It will make you search, because they are not permanent. And one feeling you prefer than another, or looks more real than another, and then you will run for it, but it goes on changing, so you will endlessly search. Feeling. You heard. Don't be bound by feelings, don't be bound by beliefs, by physical experience, by physical feelings, by physical conceptualization. Don't be bound by that. They don't mean anything. 1 minute it is surely like this, other minute it is surely like that. All our life, it goes on changing. All our life, even when you realize your true nature, this will go on. But you are no more bound by it, no more disturbed by it. The person will be disturbed probably, but I am not that. So feelings. Huh? What? Oh, Lila. Feelings, we are there. Oh no, the other ones. Okay. Huh? When you hear this, what happens? You go in which other feeling? No, tell me now. Because you see, it's always about that, huh? Yeah, you are fed up, but if you are so fed up, why do you give importance to feelings? Because I don't feel very well, so I don't like it. But that's a person, isn't it? You have to discard this for a minute, huh? You have to. You think that I'm always feeling well? But no, of course. What is that? I feel very well, and I feel not so well. But what? Then what? I don't tell others, but I don't tell it to myself also. I don't care. It's the way this creation is. Don't you understand that? Huh? Tell me now. No, but don't say yes so easily, because a minute ago it was not clear. Otherwise you would not have given importance to feelings.
Because I confuse sometimes. I confuse.
Yes.
I know that.
And where is your solid background? When you confuse, don't you have this wisdom suddenly which comes and say, I'm not that. I'm not a feeling. Okay, I feel bad. I'm not. This is a solid background I speak about. You have to use it. Okay?
I need to tell you because it's a point for me. Every time I know that I use all what I hear, like it's that
Except sometimes. Except sometimes.
I think there is something with expectations I expect that I still expect that it will not happen.
What will not
like
happen?
that I will not be overwhelmed with emotions and all that.
Oh, but no, don't expect that. An artist not overwhelmed is not an artist. Because of that you paint so well. I mean, no. You will always be overwhelmed, okay? Okay. Some are very intense, some are very quiet by nature. But you are one of those. Then what? It's great for the life, not bad. It has nothing to do with what you are. Nothing to do. Otherwise, you see, you have to follow this philosophy that once you are enlightened, it will be shown on your behavior. You will be suddenly very quiet, and you were like, no, very. Nisargadatta was very quiet, maybe. I think he was a very good. And Papaji, maybe in the satsang he was very quiet. In the life he was full on. Okay, so what is this? What was those images are epinal images. I don't know if it is English, but it is hagiography. It's saintly images. Saintly images. We never pretended to be saints. It's beautiful, but I never pretended I am showing you the way to be a saint. This has to be very clear, because then you have to run away absolutely quickly. This is not the place. And I love the saints. I don't speak bad about that, but this is not. This is to cut off any attainment, identification, it's to cut off the feeding of I am someone. And I am someone only still looks like real when it's fed by feelings, thoughts, physical things. So, dedicate a moment to discard this, and don't expect that this moment has to be repeated. Once you have known you are a human being, you don't need to repeat it 24 hours all your life, isn't it? You know it. Like that is realization. That's what I say. That authority, that natural nature is such as enough print, as enough power, it creates the universe, that you don't need, nobody has there to need to repeat, I am my real nature, I am not this, I am not that. You see, you do that when you search, when it is still some things are on the way. Okay. But the moment can be now, to free yourself from this search and these processes. Okay, you quiet yourself. Satya. Doesn't matter. It's a big disturbance. So, what remains as expectation? You quieten down, you are. What else? What else is? No, you speak a bit.
So I'm always bothered by the next moment when you said now, there is. Why?
No, what? I don't hear. There is what? Better to tell. There is what?
I know when I'm not looking at anything, I know I am myself, I know, but I'm bothered sometimes from the next moment that I'm looking and I always think.
But then it was not yourself. What you know was not yourself if you bother. It is similar, it looks like it's not yourself then. Because the one who is quiet, the one who thinks he knows himself, of course, it's a state, and that's why he's afraid not to be permanently like this. This is the trouble of the seekers. Sometimes I'm myself, and sometimes not, and that's why they feel there is still... But they are never yet themselves. It looks like. It's an experience of somebody. So it's a very good news, because it is still an experience. So of course it's not permanent, and of course I'm still searching for something permanent. Okay, this has to be seen. Let it be painful or not, it has to be seen. It is as fake as any other experience. It happens to somebody. So, very good. So what is left now to see is really to see, but who? Who is there? To whom this happens even when I think I know myself? Who knows it? Now it's time to really have the self-inquiry, and once is enough. Because so far you are busy with states. A state of confusion, a state of identification, and a state of freedom. Oh, I know myself. They are states. That's why you see, you still search.
Even this experience of being out of the time, out of the...
It is not it is not a description of realization. It's a description of a state of absolute, of no time, of eternity. It exists in the mind. That's why it happens to somebody. Because how do you know it? I cannot even say a word about what is realization. I cannot say, I would feel completely fake to say, I live totally in the absolute. And what about what comes then? It's fake. They are states. That's why you still go on searching. It's not that sometimes I'm real and sometimes not, so that I made a progress and that sometimes one day will not be there. No! Happily. Because what you really are will never, ever fall into the sometimes. Ever. That's why it is self-authority. Once is enough. There is no question of sometimes. Sometimes it's in this creation. That's why you see the experience of I amness. It is still a state. It is still happening to somebody. It's not yet that. It is the bed of the river. The river exists because there is a bed. And the bed exists because there is a river. They go together. It is still something. Realization is when you see there is no river and there is no bed. That's realization. And that's not touched by time. Nobody can enter here to to make some comments. You see the beauty? Okay. That's what we do, we run, and then we... No, we'll say, I'm very quiet. You are yourself. And you will look the same. You are the same, looking. So, anybody wants to say something? They're quite noisy, huh? Anyway, well, we'll not always come to satsang, yeah? Oh my God. It's very funny. Yeah. So, distracted, okay. And then. Any question? Good? Anything? Thank you very much.
Bolo Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Bolo Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram
Let's do old school kirtan style. I sing my part and then you sing back. It's more fun that way.
Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Sitaram, 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 Jai Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. Jai Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. Jai Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. Jai Sitaram, 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 Jai Sitaram, 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 Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Jai Sitaram, 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 Jai Sitaram, Jai Sitaram, 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 Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Bolo Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai